This is going to be the best strategy that you can do if you have a small portfolio. How do I know this? Because I started a Memecoin challenge from $500 to $1 million. Now we are at about $130,000 with this challenge. In this video, I'm going to tell you the strategies that I actually used to get from $500 to $130,000. So let's jump straight in. So first of all, guys, we need to talk about what not to do before we even go to what to do. The first thing you shouldn't be doing, guys, is copy trading. I know all these YouTubers are saying to you, copy trade is easy. You can make $500 a day. No, you will lose $500 a day. Do not copy trade people. Why? Because they know that they're being copy traded and they will dump on you. So don't copy trade. Yes, you can use it as a comparison when they invest into a project and look at it. And if you've got many different people on your wallet buying in, then that's enough to make you look at the meme coin. All right, next, not having the right trading tools. Guys, listen to me very carefully. 1% of people win with meme coin trading. 99% of people lose. Why does 99% lose but only 1% win? I tell you now, they have the right tools and the right knowledge. And I'm gonna tell you the main tools that they're called FNF groups, they're called Discord groups for Discord servers, have that you don't have. First of all, probably know this, Bullx is the fastest trading tool to get in and out of project. Also, if you take a look, you can use instant trades, so you can buy even faster, just like buying with a bot. Second, they use something called a Twitter tracker. Twitter tracker is basically a tool where you get to see tweets before they even go on Twitter. This is exactly how I made $50,000 literally a couple of days ago with the meme coin of the Catch Me Outside girl. I was in the trenches and I was looking at my Twitter monitor and I seen a tweet with her posting the CA. And me and everybody that was in my Discord got in early. So that's number 2. Number 3, you need to make sure that the projects you invest into are not bundled. What is bundled, guys? Bundled means the developer has bundled a big amount of supply and they're gonna be ready to whoosh, dump on you. So make sure it's not bundled. How do you do this, you might ask? Simple. With tools like we have in GenWealth Discord, you can put the contract address into the bot and it will tell you if it's been bundled or not. If you guys want to get access to this Discord, check the link in the description and join the Discord. Now, another massive strategy that these guys use, I'm classed as the 1%, guys. Me and many others, they do not trade alone. Do not trade alone, guys. You need to be trading with a team. It's obvious. More eyes on projects, the better. If you look at Bullx, there's so many different projects coming out every single second. How are you gonna spot the runners by yourself? You want to be trading with 10 plus people. Now, same thing that we facilitate in GenWealth Discord. You have VC rooms where you can trade with other people. Now, this is the ticket to being a successful meme coin trader. So what to do? This is what you also need to be doing, guys. You need to make sure that you have risk management. Do not invest your whole portfolio into a meme coin. You will get wrecked. I don't care how much of a big narrative, a guarantee you may think it will be. Do not fall forward into any cryptocurrency. Make sure you place your bets across many different coins. All right, personally, I think 5 to 10% of your portfolio, but if you see something that you really, really believe in, 30% is acceptable. Now, stop loss. You need to mitigate any losses fast. This is what me and all the best traders do. I like to go for a 20% stop loss and a take profit at 100%. So that means when you lose, you'll only lose 20%. And when you win, you'll win 100, 200, 300, 1,000%. I take profits as I go up after 100%. Right, now you need to get your priority and bribe fees right. Because if you don't get it right, this is the difference between making money and not making money. Because if your bribe fees are too high, it is chipping into your profit. If it's too low, you won't be able to get in and out of coins fast enough. So these are what I use. 0.01% priority. Your bribe has to be more than the priority. 0.03% for bribe. Now slippage. All depends on how hype the project is. If it's a hype project, I will be in 100% slippage. If it's just an average day-to-day trenching, 30% is fine. All right, now this is the juicy part, where if you've been in the Memecoin space for more than a month, you'll understand the biggest trader on the planet is called Copsy. He has a $7 million P&L within 1 month of Memecoin trading. This is a strategy and what we use and what everybody else uses that have the knowledge that is amongst the 1%. We only buy new creations on Bullx. You have new creations, you have about to migrate, and you have migrating. New creations is when they've just been launched and pumped up fund. About to graduate is when they're catching a bit of volume. Migrate is when they go to radium. We don't want to go to migrate because this is when your risk is more higher to your reward. The middle ground's okay because this is where it's catching volume. We want to be getting in the new creation. On that 15K market, on the 10K market cap is perfect because look at how you mitigated your risk, guys. The lowest these coins can go down is about 5 to 6K market. If you're getting at 10, you can only lose 40%. But if you buy in a coin and it's migrated and it's at $1 million and it goes back down to 5K, you're losing 99% of your portfolio. Risk B, make sure you keep your risk low. All right, when I'm looking for new creations, I look at something new, different, and unique. I don't just want to ape into the standard standard things. The biggest runners are when you find something that is different, even if it's the narrative that you're following, because you always need to follow narratives. But in that narrative, you will find something that is new, different, and unique, and has a bit of volume. You need volume. Volume is where you get paid. All right, bonus tip. Set your filters to 6.1K market cap minimum, okay? So this means you're not getting to see any coins that launch and pump and dump straight away, all right? Getting things that have momentum. Second bonus tip, Bullx is the daddy. Instant buys and sells is the daddy. When you get a little bit more experience, you can use a bot called Nova Bot, and there is an extension. I will leave the link in the description, and also to Bullx Neo. All right, so when to place a trade and when to sell is the question you may ask. Remember, guys, your profit is actually made in the buy. You might be thinking, what are you on about? I'm like, guys, the better your entry, the better chance you are to make money. If you want a crap entry, you're gonna be scared when it goes down and you're gonna lose money, okay? Do not FOMO into any trades, for one. Buy, dips, sell, rip. Now, even though we're looking at new creations and it starts at 6K market cap, you want to see it getting a little bit of momentum. So you don't really want it to, you want to at least wait till it surpasses 10K of volume, so you know there's volume there. Also, guys, coin price hits, and now when to sell. Now this is the big strat. When to sell, because this is what people do. They hold on to the bags for too long. Stop being a community member with Memecoin. You want to get in and you want to get out when the volume goes low. Now you might ask, how do you know when the volumes are low? Easy. One, you can just look at the volume, the 5 minutes volume, see if the volume's going down, right? 2, look at the top holders. Are the top holders selling? 3, very good strategy. And also we have this in the Discord. We have a list of wallets that we track of well-known people in the trenches, FNF, the 1%. When they sell, we sell, because they're the ones that attract the volume. So we want to sell as soon as they sell. Because when they sell, everybody sells. Don't get left holding the bag. And guys, most important, consistency is key. Make sure that you're consistently trading, even if it's 4 times a week, 5 times a week. Be consistent with it, even if it's for an hour, 2 hours, whatever you can, whatever time that you can put towards Memecoins, make sure you stay consistent with it, because you will form something called pattern recognition. And as soon as you see a pair, you just know from the volume, from the chart, if it's gonna go up or if it's gonna go down. Now, journaling. Journaling is very, very good, guys, because when you write things down, you're also reminding yourself, you're embedding it into your subconscious brain, and you're reminding yourself what to do and what not to do. So every day, make sure the goods you put down and the bad things you put down of the day. So guys, my conclusion of today, I break it down to 3 major things that me personally, I took $500 to $130,000, and what most of the 1% are doing, if not all. And that's trading with a community or a group. Tools. You want the tracker wallet, you want the Twitter tracker, and you want bundle trackers. So you need tools. Trade with people, tools. So I'd say these two are the most important thing. And me personally, for the tools, I use Gen Wealth, and for the community, I also use Gen Wealth. So if you guys want to join the community, the best community out there, check the links in the description. Bullx links to get started to actually trading, and the Discord to actually trade with people and having correct tools.